Hi there kids. Today we are going to learn about the Bossy R. R control vowels. Different sounds of vowels when they are followed by the letter R. Let's get started. Let's first understand why the letter R is called Bossy. When the vowels A, E, I, O and U is followed by the letter R gets bossy and changes the sound of the vowels. The letters A and R together make a sound R. The sound of the letter A is A, t, at, as in cat. But when the letter A is followed by the letter R, together they make a sound R, as in car. Let's practice once again. K, at, cat. But K, R is car. When the letter O is followed by the letter R, together they make a sound or. The sound of the letter O is aw, as in octopus. Aw, t, ought, as in pot. But the letter O and R makes a sound or, as in port. Let's practice again. P, ought, pot. P, or, t, port. The letters ER, IR and UR, all of them make the same sound R. The sound of the letter E is E, as in egg. E, M, as in gem. But the letter E and R together make a sound R, as in germ. Let's practice again. J, M, gem, J, R, germ. The sound of the letter I is I, as in igloo. I, d, id, as in bid. But the sound of the letter I and R together makes R sound, as in bird. B, id, bid, b, d, bird. Sound of the letter U is A, as in umbrella. A, t, ut, as in hut. The letter U and R together make a sound R, as in hurt. H, ut, hut. Hurt. Bye bye kids. See you later.